Magandang umaga po sa inyo lahat, magandang umaga po sir. So this is my opinion about the how to convince a company to change the traditional system into single system to a new one. So maybe for me is I convince a company to change the traditional system into a single system to a new one. It's maybe it's do is to produce and make a better system, and it is the research the new system. So what is the research the new system? This is the research and gathered information about the new system you're proposing. We will inform about its benefits, features, and how we can address the current system shortcomings. And so before attempting to convince the company to change, truly understand the existing system, strengths and weaknesses, identify pain points and inefficiencies, and areas where improvement is needed. And can they create a true proposal that the details is where the justification is for the change. Then the advantages of the new setup, then and the possible return on investment or ROI, and where a true implementation plan and timetable and and projected all costs that should be part of your proposal. And the documents in the new one on the traditional system and the single system. So the documentation is where the keep detailed records of the transmission process, and including what worked well and what didn't. So this documentation can be valuable for the future reference and improvement. So that's all my opinion, and that's all. Thank you.